Hello, my name is Brian Gingold, Service Operations Director for the Healey Automotive Group. We have 8 convenient locations throughout the Hudson Valley to meet all your automotive service needs. All of our locations employ factory-trained technicians who are certified to repair all makes and models. The Healey Car Care Maintenance Plan is today's best value. We use quality BG products to help maintain your vehicle's performance. These maintenance plans are available for all makes and models and can be used for any vehicle in the same household. Besides insulating yourself from increases in service prices, the Car Care Maintenance Plan makes servicing at any Healey Brothers location easier than ever. Healey offers express service for convenience and satisfaction. We perform oil changes, tire replacement, alignments, and battery replacement, along with a multitude of other services. When servicing your vehicle at any of our 8 Healey locations, you'll receive a complimentary car wash. For your convenience, you can call or go to HealeyBrothers.com to schedule your next service appointment. Again, my name is Brian, and I want to thank you for choosing Healey Brothers.